To register a new maintenance schedule, please go to Maintenance, then to Schedules, and click on New Schedule. A maintenance schedule is a periodical maintenance work that you register for some of your vehicles. Let's say that we want to register an oil change schedule. We will choose here the category oil change. Then we will type a name, oil change for Freightliner. And let's say that the frequency will be 180 days. If you want to put a frequency in miles, please notice that your units have to be connected to ELD so that the system could track the mileage. Otherwise, you will have to put the miles manually every time, so it will be very time consuming. Okay, now we can add the vehicles. In this case, the oil change schedule is for Freightliner, so we will choose our Freightliner trucks. We applied the schedule, and we have to let the system know when was the last service, so when was the last oil change for every truck. Let's say that this one was on 1st of August, and on this one was on 1st of July. Then the system determines when will be the next oil change according to the schedule, to the frequency that you registered. We will mark this schedule as critical because oil change is a critical schedule, and we will save it. Now, if we go to the dashboard, you will see that each of these trucks has a registered schedule. If you click on the truck, you will get to the truck maintenance page, and you will see that, for example, this schedule has 72% more, so 131 days more to go. If we go to the second one, you will see that it has 55%, so 100 days more to go. Thank you.